Hi, in this video we're going to give you some tips for finding that right health insurance plan just for you in Florida, Pompano Beach. Finding affordable health insurance can be very difficult when you look at all of the available options. It can be hard to figure out what are the differences between all of these plans, which then makes it difficult to shop around and eventually choose a plan. So here are some tips on what to look for when choosing a plan for you. The first thing to consider is, do you want to keep your doctor? If yes, then you need to make sure that your doctor is in the plan's network. Each healthcare plan has their own network or list of doctors that you can choose from. Check and make sure that your doctor is on that list. But if you are willing to change doctors, then check to make sure that there is a doctor in your area that you would like to go to. For the doctors in your area, check on their reviews, look at their office hours, and other things that are important for you in making that decision. At times, and on some plans, there may not be a doctor within a reasonable distance from your home or work. In that case, don't give up. Check on different plans till you find one where there is one within a reasonable distance. And the same applies for your OBGYN. If you do use one, make sure they are included in the list of doctors for your plan. The second thing to consider is, do you have or believe you will need a specialist? If yes, then make sure that your specialist or a specialist in that category is also in the plan's network of doctors. Also, make sure you understand what the policy is for using specialists. Some plans may require a referral from your primary physician. The third consideration should be on the hospitals and emergency care. You'll want to make sure there are hospitals in your area that are supported by this plan. Also look at the emergency and hospital coverage, including the emergency room costs, the hospital copays, and any out-of-pocket expenses. The fourth consideration are the routine physicals and health screenings. Look at what your plan covers in this regard. Make sure to understand what preventative care is covered, especially if you have children. Look to see what immunizations as well as baby checkups are covered. The fifth consideration is prescription drug coverage. Especially if you're taking medication on a regular basis, then pay special attention to this item. Look at the details of drug coverage on your plan, particularly what drugs do they cover and what is the copay. This can greatly vary between plans, so make sure that the one you're looking at meets your needs. The next consideration are looking at other services that may be provided by your plan. These other services may or may not be included in your plan, so ensure that the ones that you need are included. These services may be mental health care, chiropractic care, home health care, hospice care, rehabilitation, alternative treatments, and others. And our last consideration, but certainly not the least, is cost. You should fully understand what the monthly costs are, what are the deductibles, which is how much you have to pay out of pocket before the insurance even kicks in, how much will the insurance plan pay even after the deductible is met, what is the copay when you visit your primary doctor, when you visit a specialist or the emergency room, or even for a hospital stay. Also look at the yearly maximum out-of-pocket expenses and make sure that in the worst case that you can handle this. Feeling overwhelmed? There are many factors that go into choosing the right plan. Florida Health Agency is here to help you navigate through all of these things. Contact us at 954-866-7579. We offer completely free consultations to you. We go through your requirements for healthcare and help you pick the best option so you're ready when the open enrollment starts. Or you can click on the link below in the description for more information. Also subscribe to our channel by hitting that big red button below. We will be answering your questions about this year's health insurance options throughout the rest of the year. And also, if you have a question, go ahead and leave it in the comments and we'll either create a new video or we'll get back to you with an answer. Again, we are the Florida Health Agency and you can contact us at 954-866-7579 and talk to you soon.